Let's dive into the main features and usage methods of the Browser Monitoring Dashboard. The Browser Monitoring Dashboard provides real-time insights into web page performance and user experience, allowing you to view various performance metrics from page load times to AJAX requests at a glance. First, let's look at the page load timeline. This widget shows the overall page load performance information. You can visually confirm the time spent at each stage of page loading. It breaks down the page load event time in detail, including redirects, caching, DNS lookup, TCP connection, response time, download time, and rendering time. This allows you to quickly grasp the overall performance of the web page. Next, let's discuss the page load heat map. This widget shows the response times of page loads over time, using an intuitive distribution chart. Let's first examine the chart's composition. The vertical axis represents the point when page load events are completed. The horizontal axis shows the time taken for each page load. Normal page load events are represented from light blue, navy blue. Page load events with errors are represented from yellow, orange, red. The heat map's special feature is its detailed analysis capability. When you drag a specific area in the chart, a page load details window appears. The page load details window shows the URL list and detailed information for the selected URL. In the page load details pop-up, you can analyze all page load events for the selected time period in detail. You can sort the URL list by elapsed time or start time in the heat map, and search for and select specific URLs. The Overview tab allows you to analyze the overall page load performance. You can check detailed user information such as access environment, session information, etc. for the corresponding URL. You can also quickly and precisely view page load timing information. In the Resource List tab, you can quickly identify resources with large file sizes, slow loading times, or errors by viewing the loading times of each resource on a timeline. Clicking the table header sorts the data in ascending or descending order. You can click the table to view detailed information about the resource list. Next is the User Session Analysis menu. The User Session Analysis tab is useful for tracking interactions like clicks, identifying error points, and determining where user drop-offs occur. You can also confirm the necessary information through filter functionality. Next is the User Session Replay menu. The Session Replay menu provides a feature to reproduce actual user experiences. You can view the user's actions in an actual browser through video screen and check detailed event information and times through the list below. Through the Page Load Heat Map Analysis tool, you can quickly identify website performance issues and gain insights needed to improve user experience. Next, I'll explain the metrics for page load times and access counts. The average page load time top-in widget displays average page load times by page groups. The horizontal bar chart shows the average load times for page groups during the viewing period. It displays up to the top 8. The page load count top-nen widget displays page load counts by page groups. The horizontal bar chart shows the total number of page loads for page groups during the viewing period. It displays up to the top 8. Through this information, you can identify pages with high access volumes and slow loading speeds, and prioritize pages that need speed improvements. Next, let's examine the AJAX monitoring function, an important performance metric for web applications. Web pages often exchange data required for rendering through AJAX. On pages where AJAX continues to occur even after page load, AJAX loading can be used as an important indicator of user experience in browser applications. The AJAX heat map chart. The AJAX heat map chart allows visual analysis of all AJAX requests occurring in browser applications. The heat map chart visualizes AJAX requests intuitively. The horizontal axis shows the point when AJAX requests are completed. The vertical axis indicates the load time for each AJAX request. Normal requests, light blue, blue, navy blue. Error requests, yellow, orange, red. You can confirm the number of normal and error requests at the top of the widget and check only error requests through the error button. You can drag the chart area to view AJAX requests in detail. AJAX analysis provides the following detailed information for each AJAX request. AJAX URL information, page URL, where the request occurred, execution environment information browser, device, OS, error message, if an error occurs, user location information, detailed timing data, and various other information. The AJAX heat map detailed analysis feature also provides user session analysis and session replay functions. Through this AJAX heat map analysis, you can monitor the data communication performance of web applications and quickly identify the cause when problems occur. Next is the average AJAX response time chart. The average AJAX response time top-in chart shows the average response time of AJAX that occurs when end users use web pages. By default, data for the top 10 based on the viewing time is displayed. It provides charts by AJAX request path and can be checked based on request host, request page, or overall average. The AJAX failure count widget shows failures that have a status code of 400 or above, or were canceled without being able to make the request. AJAX error counts occurring in browser applications are classified and displayed by fetch or XHR type. Next, let's look at browser error indicators. Browser error indicators display browser errors that occur while end users are using web pages. It displays errors by page and error messages, allowing you to quickly identify pages where errors primarily occur and the content of those errors. The page error count chart displays all error counts for each page. The error message error count chart displays messages for source errors and AJAX errors, not console errors. The horizontal bar chart shows the total number of errors by error message during the viewing period. It displays up to the top 8. More detailed information will be introduced in the browser error dashboard. Next are the Core Web Vitals metrics. Core Web Vitals are 3 important indicators related to website performance among various measurements defined by Google that impact user experience. These indicators are displayed differently depending on how the website loads and interacts with users. The largest contentful paint chart is an indicator of the time when the largest content element in a website loads. The first input delay chart measures the time from when a user first interacts with the page G button click until the browser can respond to that interaction. The cumulative layout shift chart is an indicator of how frequently the layout changes while the website is loading. These measurements play a crucial role in evaluating and improving website performance. Understanding and measuring Core Web Vitals is extremely useful for improving user experience and optimizing website performance. Next is the explanation of the Regional Performance Information widget. It represents the page load times and page load counts of browser applications using map charts and tables. You can zoom in or out of the map by scrolling the mouse wheel or using the slider. Click the button on the right side of the middle to view the world map. Select the table button at the top to confirm data in table format. Select the button again to return to the map view. Next is the page load performance by browser. First is the Page Load by Browser widget. It provides page load times and page load counts by browser application. This widget allows you to easily compare load performance across browsers. Select the button at the top right of the widget to change the data to page load time or page load count. Next is an explanation of the user session count and user session widgets. The user session count widget displays the total number of user sessions with duplicates, removed based on the viewing time. The user session widget displays the number of non-duplicate user sessions at 5-second, 5-minute, and 1-hour intervals. Select the button at the top right of the widget, then select the metric change button. You can select your desired time interval. We have explored the main features and usage methods of the browser monitoring dashboard. Thank you.